welcome again to my channel. Itong video ang gagawin ko is about this chibog-chibugan ng chicharones. Nakita mo? Parang gusto ko dito, Papa. Dito ako sa gitna. Ito. Yan, ganyan. Pwede? Yan. Pero yung ulo ko ay putol. Ayan. Okay. Hi everyone, good morning. Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, Kachich. Nandito tayo para sa ibang video ngayon. Kakaiba kasi nakaluto kami ng chicharon at tayo kakain, guys. Marami pa doon pero 3 lang ang kinuha ko. Okay, kagabi nakaluto ang asawa ko ng chicharon kaya ipapakita ko kung gaano ako katakaw. Gaano katakaw sa chicharon. Ay, ito. Tingnan nyo, ha? Meron akong vinegar. I have here the vinegar, white vinegar. Then, I will just place a little of salt. Little only. Pinch of salt. And then the chili flakes. You see this? Chili flakes. So spicy. Woo! Ang dami. Kita mo yan? So many. Ayan. Too much yata. Chili flakes I place para maging spicy. Para, alam nyo na, pag spicy ang pagkain, ay mas madaling ma-digest, no? And then I have here garlic. When I eat chicharones, I eat also garlic. Okay? Lumabas kasi ang asawa ko. Gusto ko sanang isali dito. Ito ay chicharon. What will I call this? Chicharon mukbang or chicharon ASMR? ASMR mukbang. Pwede ba yun? Tayo lang nagpapauso nun. Okay, nabalatan ko ang bawang. Ito ang ipaparis ko dito sa chicharon. At ito ay bubuksan ko. Matagal-tagal na kasi kami hindi kumain ng chicharon. Pero alam nyo, mamimiss mo pala kahit na sabihin mong ayoko na ng chicharon kasi sabi nga nila nakakasama. Pero at least kung meron kang bawang and then isawsaw mo sa suka na spicy, mababawi naman. Okay? And then I am so proud to introduce to you this chicharon. It is so tender. Crispy but tender. It melts in your mouth. This is a quality chicharones that is so soft, tender look. Okay? Garlic. Sarap. Kain tayo. Kain tayo. The vinegar, scoop out vinegar and chili. And then I will just drink my iced tea. Spicy. And then Chili flakes on a plate. Mmm. Siguro maubos ko to kung di lang ako kumain ng almusal. Kaya lang, kumain na ako eh. Kumain kami ng 10:30 and the time now is 11, so hindi pa na-digest yung almusal ko. Kumain na naman ako ng chicharon. Okay? Just to share with you guys the chicharon that we made, and then you can check in this channel, just check our playlist, Rich Cheats Recipes, we have this. Okay? And then sa pangkabuhayan playlist. Masarap na chicharon. Bawang. Bawang is garlic. Then chili flakes. Look at that. Spicy. Another garlic. Chicharon plus garlic. Spicy, crispy, tasty, delicious. Oh. Another garlic. I will just peel off the skin and then eat, paired with my chicharon. Yummy, spicy. Okay. Ayan. And then the chili, so spicy, and then the sourness of the vinegar. It is so tasty. Ang takaw, no? Galing kumain, no? So yummy. Okay, guys? Para mawala ang utak. I will open a Santol. You know Santol? This one is Santol. I will show you. This is a very sour fruit in the Philippines that it is called Santol. Okay? I will show you this fruit. I will peel off. It is a compliment for that chicharon that I have eaten. It is so, because this is so sour. It is an acid that maybe it can melt those fats that I have swallowed. Okay, so now here it is, peeled off. I will just do like this, like that. And then, look at this. Wow. Santol. It has a seeds like clouds, like cotton. You see this? This is so yummy, sweet and sour. Tastes like heaven. Sweet. And this is very sour. I cannot talk. This one I will dip in the vinegar. Nice. Ang asim, guys. So sour. Okay, so I've shown you the chicharon and the santol, so I have to go now. I will just say bye-bye and see you again next time. Thank you so much. Ayan, English ako kasi doon sa mga ibang mga viewers na nag-request mag-English ako sometimes, okay? So guys, magpaalam na ako. Nabusog na ako ng chicharon, nabusog pa ng santol. I'm so grateful for this very good food I've eaten today. Bye-bye. Please subscribe and click the notification bell, and please like, comment, and share this to your friends, dear ones, and family, so that we can be together here in this channel, this little channel, Rich Chich channel, so that we will become a big family. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you again next time. Stay safe always.